Welcome back. If we want to organize our note that we just made, we can find it in that first screen that we were at. So right at the top where it says January 19th, 2018 in white font, I can tap on that. You'll see that's our note. Let's scroll up. So I'm going to go back to that last screen and I can do a couple of things. I can create a new subject to put it in, or I could put it into a previously existing one. So I show you how to create a new subject. We're going to click the plus at the top left of the screen. And I am going to create a divider first. And we'll call this professional development. Done. And within that one, we'll do the plus again. We'll create a subject, and we'll call this webinar. Okay. So now if I tap on professional development, there I have webinar. So what I can do is I can click and hold on our note. So I'm going to tap the little visual of the note, hold it down. You'll see it pops up a little. I'm going to drag it into webinar, let go, and now it's moved right into webinar. So it's totally organized, which is really nice. So the one other thing I wanted to show you is how to import a PDF and how we could mark that up. So in this same webinar subject, I'm going to go to the top right corner. There's a small box with an arrow down. I'm going to tap that. I've previously connected this to my Google Drive account, so I can tap on Google Drive. If I hadn't, it would ask you to sign in here. I'm going to pull something in from one of my evaluation materials, so I'm going to go to my Evals and Consults section. I'm going to wait for that to load. I'm going to go to my eval materials, go to one of my executive functioning files, and I'm going to choose the homework chain. So I'm going to click on that. And you'll see there's a small circle pops up, it loads. I'm going to create a new note out of this, not add it to something I already made. So I'm going to tap create new note. And then I can tap open. So it'll take just a second, and then it will open it. There we go. And you can see that now I have this really nice PDF in here that I can mark up. So if students had to add in anything where they were typing, they could have that T at the top of the screen selected, tap somewhere, and add text here. Right? Or text. Let's change that back to text here. They can also do things with the pencil. So if they wanted to circle important features, maybe they want to circle in blue, they could say, here's a picture, here's a picture, here's a picture down here. Right? They could highlight, and then if they make mistakes, they can erase them. So it just gives them a really nice way to mark up worksheets. So if a student is having trouble with handwriting or spelling, they can use the keyboarding to have spelling suggestions, or they can input with speech to text, which are really nice features. So that's a little bit about how to mark up PDFs and also how to organize your notes.